Hello friends, today is my first vlog of the Multimedia Sound Nepal, and today we are installation on one of the best quality of Pro Audio speaker with the one of the best cabinet in the box cabinet. We are showing you to how to installations the one of the best cabinet we have from the Nepal, and we are now showing to how to installation of the best quality speakers with the best quality of the cabinet. It is a front base cabinet and it is in the JBL logo, and we are brought up one of the best RMS power. It is the RMS power of the 250 watts RMS power in the voice coil. It has been 4-inch voice coil, in out voice coil. The paperwork is also very good. The paperwork is very good, and the installation for our customers. And if you need one of bass, low bass or subwoofer, you can contact us. And now we are showing you how to installations the cabinet. Now we are ready to installation a speaker. Now you can see the quality of the base cabinet. This is our quality. We use a calibrated ply in the use with our 18 inches body. And you can look how we use the cushions, some cushions and body. The cabinet body is also well quality, and we use a Centex pen to hook body cabinet body. We use the sentence pen. And now you can we are already ready our back panel connector with the spoke on our cabinet. Now we are installing in back panel. I show you. Yeah, it is a whole body, and now we are ready to installation it. This is our back panel body. Speaker. Now we installation our speaker.